Welcome to the channel where I help people better understand supply chain management and planning. Today we're talking about open-loop material requirements planning. Think of it like planning a big dinner party without checking your fridge or pantry first. You have a menu, which is your final product, a list of recipes, which would be like production plans, and a shopping list, which is akin to the material requirements. But you're not regularly checking to see what ingredients you already have or what might have gone bad. In a more technical sense, open-loop MRP is a system used to plan and control the manufacturing process by determining the quantity and timing for the acquisition of materials. It's called open-loop because it doesn't incorporate feedback from the production process into its planning. This means the system plans future material needs based only on the original production schedule and does not adjust based on what's happening in real time on the factory floor. Here are the key features of open-loop MRP. The first is demand-driven planning. The system starts with a master production schedule, MPS, which is essentially a timetable of what needs to be produced and when. This schedule is based on forecasted or actual customer demand. There's also the bill of materials. Think of the BOM as a recipe for each product. It lists all the raw materials, components, and subassemblies required to produce one unit of a product. The MRP system uses the BOM to calculate the total material requirements. Next is inventory data. Open-loop MRP requires data on current inventory levels, but here's the catch. It typically doesn't update this information in real time as materials are used or replenished. It's like making a shopping list for your party based on what you think is in the house, but not checking as things get used up or restocked, as well as a materials requirement plan. Using the MPS, BOM, and inventory data, the MRP system generates a material requirements plan. This plan details what materials are needed, how much is needed, and when it's needed to meet the production schedule. And finally, there's no feedback loop. In open-loop MRP, once the plan is set, it doesn't automatically adjust for changes or disruptions in the production process. If a machine breaks down or a shipment of materials is delayed, the system doesn't recalibrate on its own. To visualize this, imagine planning your party and sending someone to the store with a list, but they can't call you from the store to adjust the list based on what's available or what you've already got at home. They just buy exactly what's on the list, no more, no less. The main limitation of open-loop MRP is its lack of flexibility and adaptability. Since it doesn't integrate real-time feedback, it can lead to issues like overstocking, stockouts, and inefficient use of resources. In today's fast-paced and unpredictable manufacturing environments, the ability to adapt quickly to changes is crucial, which is why many companies have moved towards more dynamic, closed-loop systems that continuously update and adjust plans based on real-time data from the production floor.